Hey, it's me, Anne. I'm an illustrator and designer from Australia, and I want to share my vector illustration process with you. Today, we'll be looking at how to draw a house in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started! First off, using basic shapes like the triangle and rectangle, block out the main shape of the house. I then proceed to build the walls and the roof of the house. It helps to have a sketch to have a rough idea of the kind of house you want. After blocking out the big shape, I start to add some colors. For the back wall, I use darker shade to give depth. Then we will work towards the details, like the door here. Using the circle shape, we will create a window on the top, complete with its frame. After the front side is done, we will move towards the side wall. Create a window and round just the top corners to create an arch shape. Let's add some greeneries using the same method as before. I'm also going to add some red flowers to contrast with the green. Duplicate the plants and flip them horizontally. Select the window, copy and paste, and now you have a pair of finished windows. Now that the house is mostly done, let's build the garden. Copying the plants from the window, and then I resize them into bushes. Duplicate, but make sure to edit them so that they don't look identical. Now using the rounded rectangles, I want to create a tree. Just resize and stack them on top of one another. Now let's create a flower. Make a red circle, go to Effects on the very top, and choose Warp. Click any of the effects to explore. I use Flag to distort the circle so it looks random. Add some yellow circle in the middle and now you'll have a flower. At this stage, you are free to add more details to your work. I use the pen tools to add some texture to the tree. And a little sun to brighten up the day. And some subtle brick look using the pen tools. And you're done! This is the basic, and you can try to create other fun buildings like supermarket, cafe, museum, and many more. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I'll see you again next time.